In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add credit card transactions to QuickBooks Online. This is perfect for times when a bank feed isn't connected, a charge is missing, or you need to record a transaction right away so your books stay accurate. Have your statement or receipt handy so you can enter the details correctly. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Move your mouse to the Create button near the top of the screen. Depending on your layout, it may look like a plus icon. Hovering there reveals a menu of things you can add. From that menu, choose Expense. This opens the expense form, which is designed for recording purchases you paid for using cash, a bank account, or in this case, a credit card. QuickBooks will usually fill in today's date, adjust it to match the date on your statement if needed to keep your reconciliation clean. At the top of the form, select the payee. This should be the vendor or store where the purchase happened, or the appropriate credit card holder name if you track by card user. Consistent vendor names make your reports clearer and help with future matching. Next, select the payment method. Choose the specific credit card you used so the expense reduces the correct card's balance. If you track multiple cards, double check you're picking the right one to avoid misposting. Now, select the category. This is the expense account that describes what you bought, like office supplies, software, meals, or travel. Accurate categorization ensures your profit and loss reflects spending in the right places and saves time at month end and tax time. Add a clear description. Think of this as the note you'll want to see 6 months from now to know exactly what this charge was for. Include context, like the purpose of the purchase or project it supports. Enter the amount. Type the total that appears on your receipt or statement for this single transaction. If the purchase includes sales tax and you track it in QuickBooks, make sure the total reflects it properly so the numbers tie out. If the expense relates to a specific customer or job, add the customer name. This helps with job costing and reporting. Only use this when it truly belongs to that customer to keep your margins accurate. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. Your expense is now recorded to the correct credit card and ready to appear in your account register and reports. Later, during reconciliation, this entry will help you match your books to the statement and avoid duplicates if a bank feed brings in the same charge.